Hello, welcome to my screen recorder here, Screencast-O-Matic. I believe that this is the issue that you were working on. So we've got the title, our rating, our price, and then our select options button. And obviously these rows are all wonky, depending on what happens when the title has two lines of text. I'm not sure if you're using the same widget, but the archive products widget, which is now deprecated, that's what I'm using. It's still working, so that's cool. We can look at it in effect, and basically you can see I've got these all straightened out, sitting at the bottom of the row by themselves. This is a two-piece, little custom chunk of CSS. It's not incredibly difficult, but what we've got is this where the I'm using Astra. I'm not sure if I saw which one you're using in your Facebook post there, but this Astra Shop Summary Wrap is our element. It's this right here. And basically that is this Astra Shop Summary Wrap. So it's everything inside of that. And if you click on that div, you can see that it's right here. So when we close the other things that are inside, this this div right here has one, two children essentially. Yeah, it's got two children in it. So um, and this guy down here, these are all sort of independent. That's what I was getting at. It's got, back this up, this div. Yeah, it's got three. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this div right here has one, two, three children inside. So this can run, essentially what we're doing over here is we can run flex on the children inside of that div. So I've got display flex, we've got flex flow as column and no wrap. This is important. You don't need to flag it as important. And then you need to give it a fixed height. Now, you're going to need to change that fixed height depending on your media queries. You might need to write one for tablet and one for laptop, but not terribly difficult. I've got this one here in my tablet format. I'm not actually running anything. Um, this is poor code. Get rid of that. Um, yeah. So then the second item that we're trying to take care of here is moving this button down, and I was shocked when I saw this one that let's get on, select this element right there. So on our, it's a tag, it's a button. The class is button, but when we get in here, this is our element, and here's how we're going to find that, because this is what you're going to need um, to define that element. See, so we grabbed all of those with this one chunk of code here, but it's UL products, LI product, and then the class of button inside of there. And I was kind of blown away when I realized that having margin top auto is actually pushing that down. So that is kind of the fix on that. And you can see where like that one has a larger margin on top, and then when you bump into this one over here, there's our summary wrap again. Here's that, here's our price, and then this guy, see how it's not nested inside of there? That way we can work Flexbox on it. But that guy, the margin on top is considerably smaller, and it's this guy right here. If we take away margin top, that's how everything looks normally. So, and then align self, I gave it center. But that should get you there. I'm imagining that's what you're working on. Good luck with that. If you need something else, give me a shout. I'm glad to help. I find that being able to walk back through my process and my thinking on these things is reinforcing what I've learned, and in my opinion, teaching is educational. So I'm always down to share. I hope that works out for you, and good luck with your shop. Have a good one.